It is a beautiful day out here, and I thought I would shoot a video, and I want to today talk about the Kane Revive Recovery Shoe. I've talked about the shoe for the last couple of years. If you're not familiar with it, you definitely want to check this out. Not because I do refer customers through them through my referral link, but I buy these myself. They don't even send me a free pair. I love them so much. And these are so great, especially now with the weather warming up. You're going to the beach, the pool, but really for after a workout, these are just so perfect to slip on. Now, I know many of you have worn Crocs out there, and while they work, these are just, to me, taking it to another level. There's something about this shoe that just feels so good. They're got a nice wide toe box. They have these nodes on the bottom of the footbed, so it's going to stimulate the feet, kind of give that massage feel to it. And it's really cool. They're made from sugarcane from Brazil, come in a lot of colors. And this one happens to be a limited edition color. So I was glad to pick it up, but they've got other great colors. They also have colors for men, women, and kids. So you definitely want to check that out. They have a place where you can hang the shoes from. Now, as far as sizing, I am an 11.5 to maybe a 12, but if you want to wear these without socks, I would recommend, especially without socks, is to go down. So I went with an 11 initially. When I first got them, I went with a 12 and too big. So that is my recommendation. So great color. So I am a big fan of blue. And then the company recently came out with this limited edition color. This is called Indigo. And if you are interested in getting this color, now's the time while they still have in stock. And there's another version of the Indigo where it's more white, but kind of more the indigo towards the bottom of the shoe. And I love it. And so I did verify from the company to see if they would maybe make this into a standard color. And from what I understand, it is limited. So what did I do? I went and ordered another pair just in case. And these have a great resale value, by the way, even if you wear them. I've had some other ones that I wore out. People love them. I mean, they really are great, and they've got a great color selection as well. So this is how it comes. Now, what they do as well, it comes with a carabiner hook, and so you can then hang them with your shoes. So that's kind of cool that it comes with every pair. And it also came with this card as well, which is very cool. Kane carabiner with every pair. Comfort, versatility, and support. A lot of athletes wear them. And I was watching a video. One of the so true things about the shoe is you can wear this through everything, in the water, in the sauna, in the steam room, at the pool, at the beach. So it can take a beating, and it is really just a great shoe, and it's so lightweight as well. They do have a version for colder climate. From what I understand, and I have not purchased them, they feel a little bit different, but you can check them out and read the reviews, and I'll put my referral link in the description as well as in the comments section. So I did get another pair, and last year, during the Olympics, they came out with an Olympic version, and I didn't even think about anything of getting this color. And this color they no longer make, and I did pick up, I think, the very last available pair, but I did have to pick them up in a size 12 versus an 11. But the good part is they fit me when wearing a thicker sock. And I got them because I've done trade shows for work, and I thought, you know what? I remember thinking about getting a gold shoe for work. So guess what I got? Yes, you ready? I got the gold version. And you know what? It's even more impressive in person. I showed my friends, they're like, this is so ugly. I'll tell you what, I love it. To me, this is a conversation piece. This is not the color I'm going to wear out and about all the time. This is gonna be one of these special times when I wear them. Maybe if I wanna go out and look like I'm flashing a little bit, but if I go to some kind of party, or again, I'm working at a trade show, this is the shoe that I'm gonna put on. So this is what's fun about the company as well, is they come out with these great colors. And again, you get the carabiner with that. Now, one of the other things as well, and by the way, this is what it mentions on the box: breathes, stimulates, supports, rebounds, cushions and grip. And it does have a good grip. It does. I find it grips the ground really well. And you can see it's got that wide toe box. Now, the other thing I want to just share with you, the company's all about the environment, recycling. So when your shoes run out, one of the other options you could do is send them back. They'll give you credit towards the purchase of another shoe. But what they have come out with is a mat, a yoga mat. They also have one that's smaller, and you'll see it on the website, where it's a changing mat. And it's really cool. It's really thick, by the way. And these colors are the recycle of the shoe. The other part, it feels like that material from one of these suits that you might go diving with, one of that type of material. And so they have made this very nice yoga mat, stretch mat, and it's thick. And so I love the fact that they have recycled their shoes in it as well. So another very, very cool thing that Kane is doing. So check it out today, but great colors. So you can see I've got a nice selection to choose from here. I love the blue, and I definitely love the gold. In fact, you may see me wearing this shoe when I'm doing videos. So there you go. So check them out today. Helps the channel if you use my referral link, and let me know if you have any questions. I'll put a link to my original video where I dived in deeper and talking about the sizing and when I first got them, and I really do love them, and I wanted to share with you. All right, everybody, have a great day. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.